Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Chemistry with DV. So in this series wherein I am telling you how to draw the toughest dot and cross diagrams in the part 2, I am going to tell you how to draw the dot and cross for sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide and carbon monoxide. Sulfur dioxide, you know that sulfur is in group 6 and oxygen is also in group 6, and all atoms try to gain a full outermost shell to have a stable electron configuration. So sulfur had 6 electrons in its outermost shell, so it forms 2 double bonds with oxygens, so by sharing 2 of its own. And now sulfur had 6 electrons, so therefore it has got a 1 lone pair, and each of the oxygen has got 2 of these lone pairs. So we can, as a stick model, we can write it in the form of that 2 double bonds and 1 lone pair. So this is how you will look at the structure of sulfur dioxide. Now when we look at sulfur trioxide, then sulfur trioxide again sulfur and oxygen both are in group 6, so they can easily form 3 double bonds with each other. So that way oxygen has got a full outermost shell and sulfur has also been able to form these. So you can also show these in this manner or just show as a stick model, doesn't matter really. So sulfur is, you can show it in this manner as a stick model. Now let's look at how do we draw the structure for carbon monoxide. Now you know carbon is in group 4, and so it's got 4 electrons in the outermost shell, and oxygen is in group 6, so therefore 6 electrons. So let's see, we have carbon here and oxygen needs to form a double bond with carbon. So carbon provides 2 electrons of its own and oxygen has provided 2 electrons of its own also. Now carbon here is left with 2 more electrons which are here as shown as crosses. Now carbon does not have its octet full because now carbon has got 6 electrons in its outermost shell, so it's not happy about this. And oxygen is happy because it has got 8 electrons in its outermost shell. So what happens is that in order to have the octet of carbon also full, oxygen uses one of its lone pairs to form a dative covalent bond with this carbon. Now you can see that carbon has got 8 electrons and oxygen also has got 8 electrons here. So both are happy in the form of a dot and stick, the stick diagram. We can show it in this form, and now carbon has got this and oxygen also has got this one. So this is how you would draw carbon monoxide. So you can see that between carbon and oxygen it's a 2 covalent bonds, right, and 1 dative covalent bond. So this is how you would draw the diagram for the carbon monoxide. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching this, and I look forward to see you on my next video. Good luck. Bye bye.